How about some chocolate pudding for breakfast with life with COVID? It's not so bad, is it? No, get to have chocolate pudding for breakfast. I'm going to recite how I made it from memory. I've made this so many times, and it turns out so good every time, and it's medicinal. So if you're excited about medicinal chocolate pudding that tastes really good, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube, definitely subscribe. Hit the bell, you'll be notified when I make new videos. This also helps me out a great deal so that I can keep making these free videos. And drop a comment too. Tell me what else you would like to see me make or any questions that you have. Okay, so in this particular recipe, it's so simple. You can make this from home. You might even have the ingredients, or you might have to get like one or two things. Who knows? But you need, the base is going to be avocado and banana. So right off the bat, for this particular mix right here, this is open to interpretation. I did one medium banana that was sort of halfway between yellow and green, so the sugar content is less. And I had 2 large avocados. No, medium large, we'll say something like that. And then from there, I did, you can either do 1 scoop of cacao, which is a vegan plant-based chocolate, C-A-C-A-O, not to be confused with cocoa, that's different. Cacao, C-A-C-A-O. So you could do a scoop of that, or better, much better yet, in my personal opinion, there's a superfoods shake, chocolate plant-based superfoods shake that I've been drinking for since 2009, I believe. Yeah, 2009. So it's been a lot of years, and I sell it. So if you'd like to look at that, I'll send you the link. You can research it and see if you want to try it. It's good stuff. I also drink it just in regular shakes and smoothies, and I also make this wonderful chocolate pudding with that too. That's the ingredient that makes it chocolate-like. So either cacao or my shake. You let me know. And then beyond that, for this particular one, I did a drop of cinnamon bark oil, or you can just do cinnamon powder, or you don't need cinnamon at all. It's up to you. I just wanted to have cinnamon with this one, so I added some. What else? You can do a scoop of chia seeds. For some reason, I just forgot this time around. I almost always include a scoop of chia seeds, but I forgot, so I don't have chia seeds. And you know what? It's still awesome. Chia seeds is just going to give it more texture, obviously, a chia seed pudding base, and it's going to have more medicinal properties in it too. The chia seeds are loaded with, I don't even remember what's in them, but it's going to be protein, more fiber, what is it, omega-3s, I think, and those are kind of hard to come by, so it's cool they've got those, and there's other things in them too, I don't remember. A lot of energy is in them, a lot of medicinal healing energy, so chia seeds are pretty amazing. I just can't remember why off the top of my head. And I did not include them this time around. Well, gosh, what else? If you wanted to, you could put in a drop of vanilla, but I would either do vanilla or cinnamon. I don't think I would do both. I don't think those two flavors go together really well. So the base, basically, once you got that down, you can mess with it. But typically, I will do the banana, avocado, and chia seed, and a drop of, I will go the cinnamon route typically, a drop or 2 at the most of cinnamon bark oil. And am I forgetting anything? I don't think so. Pretty sure that about covers it. And you blend it all up. I use a NutriBullet or a Vitamix. I got both. They're both great. NutriBullet or Vitamix, they both get the job done. So see what you like using. A lot of blenders really suck, I'll tell you that, man. The Ninja oh wow, I hate Ninjas. Every Ninja I've ever tried doesn't yield good results unless you're doing some simple smoothie, but if you're doing more medicinal type of stuff like I do, Ninjas suck hard. They suck so hard. And these are wonderful. The NutriBullets, also Blendtechs work very well. I don't own a Blendtech, but I've used one several times at a friend's house. Those work very well too. So those are the only 3 good blenders in my opinion, especially if you're more into medicinal stuff. Then it's Vitamix, NutriBullet, and Blendtech. Those are the 3 right there, man. For sure. So I'm doing pretty well with COVID, and there's nothing to worry about here. I'm on a great trajectory, and I'm almost out of quarantine. I've got just a few more days to go. Yep, look at my watch here with the calendar on it, just a few more days to go. So that's all for now. Take care, everybody. Stay healthy and subscribe, like, hit the bell. Drop your comments, what else you'd like to see me do. And be happy and healthy.